Hi guys, long time no see. I'm back today with the first in what's going to be quite a few videos. I'm shooting quite a few videos today and I've got some more to come. So yeah, I'm back with a few videos. So let's get started. And today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Glossybox UK. So this is the March edition. We're in March. I honestly have no idea what day it is, what month it is. I've been writing 2017. I was looking at the calendar the other day and wondering why it was wrong and it was 2019. So yeah, anyway, Glossybox, March Glossybox. Haven't seen anything on this, so this is a big surprise. So, right, what have we got here? Alright, have a glossy spring. So here's your leaflet. This month marks the start of spring. Really? Really? It's snowing outside. Yeah, it's snowing. This is the Beast from the East Mark II. Yeah, it's snowing. So, not really spring. This month marks the start of spring anyway. Out with the old and in with the new. Hibernation is over, so let's all blossom as spring awakens. Not very apt, Glossybox. As always, we're here to help. Detox your beauty collection and make way for March edit of perfect products featuring magical recipe for beauty, sleep and skin perfecting serum. Who needs an Instagram filter? I've got to be honest, I don't use them. What's the point? It's not you. Why pretend to be something you're not? Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Usual format. Ribbon. Interesting. Okay. All right, let's look at this. Okay, first of all, I'm not going to lie. I'm disappointed because there's something gone here that I didn't get that I would have loved. So I'm not going to lie, I'm disappointed today. Right, first thing. Mudmasky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. And it's a little one. And it is 20 ml. pH balanced, repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing, protecting. Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. This overnight mask by premium skincare brand Mudmasky hails from Amsterdam. Using only fresh, raw, all natural ingredients, this mask hydrates, soothes and smooths your skin. A feast for the senses. Scented with rose water imported from a small village in Persia, which is Iran. Is Persia Iran? Which helps to induce a more restful sleep. Full size is £61, so I've got no idea what this little one's worth. I like the idea of it because my skin's still going haywire. It's dry, but it's oily, it's spotty, but it's lumpy, it's flaky, but it's... Anyway, so yeah, hopefully that does its thing. Right, what did I get next? Right. First item, let's have a look. Oryza Beauty Warm Nude Lipstick. This velvet ribbon lipstick by Oryza, O-R-Y-Z-A, has a weightless semi-matte and satin finish. RRP $15.95 full size. And it's quite a brown peachy nude. As you can see, it's looking like the same colour as my fingers. We'll have a little swatch somewhere, put it in the back of my hand. There we go, that's what it looks like. So yeah, that's quite nice. I'll definitely wear that. I do like a nude lipstick. So yeah, I'll definitely wear that. And that is, have we got a size? It's so small. I'll put it in the description box below the size of that, but that's that anyway. Next. Let's have a look. Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Plus Matte Veil Hydro Pore. Figs and Rouge. Right. A weightless matte serum designed to minimise the appearance of pores. So is this a primer? Yeah, it's like a primer basically. So that's what that is. And that is 30 mils. Full size. It says a full size and the RRP for that is £35. What next? Make Cosmetics Good Morning AM Mask. Start your morning with a purifying AM mask for a bright and fresh skin canvas. Start your day feeling dull and tired, or you in need of a good makeup day. Start with purifying AM mask for a bright and fresh canvas. Ooh, it's a sheet mask. I do love a sheet mask. Or is it? Or is it a hydrogel mask? I like both. I prefer hydrogels because I think they're cool, because they're all sticky and weird. But I love a sheet mask. Eco-friendly Lysol sheet infused in peppermint leaf water, which helps purify and soothe stressed and tired skin, while the hydrogelized Conchiolin protein evens out the overall skin texture and improves tone. What is Conchiolin extract? I don't know if I like the sound of that. I'm going to find out what that is. Conchiolin. Conchiolin? I'm going to see what that is because I don't like the sound of that. And yeah, I'm paranoid about the Snail Serum thing. I once used some, it was an eye gloss strengthener, and I didn't realise till afterwards it had Snail Serum in it, and I nearly threw up. I just couldn't. So I'm gonna check and see what that is. I'll let you know in the comments if it's anything scary, but I don't know if I like the sound of that. Anyway, but I do like a sheet mask, so that's a sheet mask, and that is full size, £4.50. Next, okay, this is the thing that I wanted that I didn't get, so I am quite sad about that. Did I actually get another item? Oh, I did. How many items are you supposed to get in this box, by the way? 3, 5, I got 5. Now, the item that I would have loved was the L'Oreal Illuminating Stick in Ballerina. I love L'Oreal. I've been wanting to try the gelato swirls and these cheek stick things for ages, and mine doesn't have one in. So I'm slightly devastated about that. But what I did get instead is the something else I can't see. La Theory de Volcan. The Theory of Volcanoes? Noir Eternae Youth Potion. Purifying Youth Potion. Mask Scrub. So it's face scrub and mask. Vegan purifying scrub mask that magically turns from pink to grey. Sounds fun, admittedly, but it's not L'Oreal. So yeah, and that is 30 mils. So yeah, mixed bag from me from Glossybox this month. Whilst I am interested in trying all the products, I'm devastated about the L'Oreal. I'm sorry. And at least now we're actually getting the sense to like see what everyone else is getting, and if anyone got that, then they got a better box than that I did. So I'm slightly gutted about that. So never mind. Yeah, very skincare orientated. The lipstick's nice. I'll definitely use the lipstick. I'll give most of it a go, in all honesty. I will look up that mask because, as I say, I'm not sure what that ingredient is. So I'll look that up. But yeah, not wowed for me. If I got the L'Oreal, it would have gone from a okay to a wow. Okay, so, you know, beggars can't be choosers. It's a look of the draw. You get what they pick for you, etc., etc. April sneak peek. To be honest, it's not something that's going to wow us again. It is the Fat Liquid Eyeliner from Ico. I've had it before. I'm no good with Ico liners. They just drip on me for some reason. So that's what's next month. But close but no cigar Glossybox. You could have been so much better with the inclusion of just one item in my box, and you teased me by putting it on this list. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think about this. If you got the L'Oreal, let me know. Is it any good? Am I getting depressed over nothing? So let me know if you got it. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll give a link to Glossybox below. It is an affiliate link, I think. And let me know what you think about this box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you really soon with another video. Bye.